What's up guys? Welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to unbox the FM's new crawlers. Now it's a 1/18 crawlers. Now let's unbox it. Wow, look at it. It's a 1/18 pickup. And this is official licensed by the GM. And it's a Chevrolete prototype. Wow, look at it. There is small transmitters here, just like the former 1/18 gears crawlers. Wow, look at it. Here is the parts, the chargers, the range, and some other parts. Now this is a license plate. It's American Missouri state. Look at this beautiful pickups. It's a Chevy logos. Here's the pickup. And you can fold it, open and fold it. Now this is a totally new chassis. Here's, look at it. By the way, there is shock oils in the suspensions. Here's shock oils. And here is, you can see the portal axles. And this is, they have 2-speed gears, high and low speed gears. Because this is FM's new chassis, is based on the FCX18 chassis. So the FCX is a totally new chassis here. It's not like the before. There is only one functions. Now this has 2-speed, high and low, and portal axles. So beautiful. Chrome wheels, rear mirrors, front and rear bumpers, and there is even lights here. Now when I open the hood, you can see the big 2S batteries. It's bigger than before. So here it has more ranges. When I put the ESCs on, here you can see servos here, and this is a low speed. Now I will change to the neutral gears. High speed, low speed gears. Let's see, open the headlights here. Emergency lights here, front and rear. Turning lamps here. Unfortunately, there is no turning light in the rear. There is only braking lights here. Here is the braking lights. Headlights here. Turning lamps. So this truck is have more functions than the former versions, than the former Chevy K10. So it's called the FCX18 K10. It's so beautiful. Look at it. Totally new chassis. By the way, the rods are all the metals, not plastics than before. But the universal shafts is plastic, maybe nylon here, and I think it's stuff here. By the way, there is no forms in the tires. I guess because there's no. Okay, that's all about these new colors here. Please subscribe, make comments down below, thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.